Just got back in from the Costco. Beautiful pork belly here. And I'm just cutting it up. It's a big piece of, if you're looking for good pork belly, try Costco, man. I'm not even being paid to say that. But for 40 bucks, I got this massive piece of pork belly here. I'm just cubing it up now. 2 recipes. I'm doing one, a sort of a braised pork belly, like a stew braised pork belly. And 2, we're going to try to do, I don't know if you guys have ever had pork burnt ends. We're going to try to do something similar in the oven, but I'm testing out this new knife here from Titan Forge. They sent me a whole bunch of stuff. Let's go look at that. Hold on.
What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click.
The package came a couple days ago, and there's a whole bunch of knives that they sent out for me here. So we've got this one, looks like what's a chef knife, but an 8-inch chef knife. Then we've got this, looks like a fillet knife, a serrated knife, a boning knife, and another one of that big chef knife. This massive chef knife here, 10-inch chef knife. So I'm thinking, you know what, I've got a lot of knives, and most of those knives are Damascus steel. I don't know how good you guys can see them, but that's a few of them. I have a couple more in the drawer over here. There's another one over there. But back to Titan Forge and those knives. So a gift to me means a gift to you guys. I'm gonna do a giveaway as always. 2 prizes. The first one, this one here, and that is the 10-inch chef knife. So that's up for grabs. And then we're gonna do a sort of a combo pack. We've got these 2 guys here, which is the 6-inch serrated and the 6-inch boning knife. So one person could win the chef knife, one person could win this 2-pack here. So 2 prizes to give away. And all you have to do is leave a comment down below with your name and say, hey Chris, enter my name for the knife giveaway. Also, if you go to CaribbeanPot.com/askChris, or even if you just go to CaribbeanPot.com, on the very top you're going to see the link there. It says Ask Chris, and there's going to be details there on how you can get a second chance. So 2 chances in total of winning these knives. Special thanks to Titan Forge. Don't forget to follow them. All their socials will be mentioned right about here. And again, 2 chances. We're gonna close this one off April 15th. So midnight April 15th, I'm gonna close all entries. So you have until then. Then I'm gonna contact the winner, 2 winners, for their mailing address. Now, if I contact you for the mailing address, I don't hear from you in 48 hours, I will move on to another person. All right? Good luck.